Good morning. This is Monday morning and greetings from Costa Rica, Playa Ocotal. This is nice beach. It's quiet here, no people, because it's Monday, and what you can see is just a shoreline of the beach here, and up there you can see some houses, and it's a little bit touristy place normally. I would say not in terms like a lot of tourists, but I mean a lot of people who used to come here for vacations, and you will find a lot of Airbnb here. They are expensive, yes. If you are looking for some less expensive options, please contact me. You will find the email below this video. I just wanted to show you how it looks in the morning. It's peaceful. Ocotal, again, this is Ocotal Beach in north of Costa Rica on the Pacific side, and nice place to enjoy the life. Have a great week.